Is the whole Slice team coming? Oh, yeah. All right, come on up.
I'm Carter as well.
I'm Jaime. And I'm Taylor.
Awesome. So if you've walked into a Panera Bread recently, you were faced with a choice between ordering from a kiosk or a cashier. These ordering kiosks appear to be the restaurant industry's first reaction to the minimum wage hikes that are going affected across the country. Restaurants currently employ the most near minimum wage employees out of any industry, but still spend 25% of their revenues on labor costs. These two factors, combined with the push for the $15 minimum wage, will threaten the industry's bottom line and force them to adapt.
So what's our solution to the problem right now? Because we don't want to just create another automated kiosk or point of sale system. We're looking to automate the entire restaurant workforce. So we're looking to automate the point of sale, food prep, and also serving. So as our senior qualifying project here at WPI, we're creating a fully automated robotic kiosk that will serve hot and made-to-order sandwiches. And what that entails in our first phase is to develop a novel slicing mechanism that will also clean itself. And for our phase 2, we're developing a minimum viable product that will create a grilled cheese sandwich, in which we're asking for $5,000 to get our minimum viable product off the ground.
So the main benefit to the system that we're developing is significantly reduced labor costs. So instead of having to pay these cashiers and food prep employees, we envision that with this kiosk, you would only have to pay one single employee. And this person would visit the kiosk once a day, clean down any surfaces that we can't clean automatically, and then restock the kiosk with fresh ingredients for the next day. And with this increased profit margin, we can afford the owner of the kiosk increased financial stability in the face of these rising labor costs. And this also means that for the end user, we can provide a very fresh, high-quality meal at a more affordable cost than a traditional restaurant can provide. We also believe that we can kind of combat foodborne illness by not having any food contact employees come in contact with the food, and also as a result of this novel slicing method and sanitation method that we're developing. And finally, since this kiosk is small, it can fit into areas where traditional restaurants just can't go. So think dorms, hotels, and workplaces.
So our project team is looking to expand beyond the minimal viable product, and we're looking to expand the capabilities of the kiosk itself into other ingredients to have a more holistic sandwich besides the grilled cheese sandwich. And in doing so, we'll be designing the kiosk to meet the certifications and standards that are presented by food equipment and food service agencies, so we can bring our kiosk into the market today. Overall, our project team believes that we'll be addressing the industry challenges of the increased labor costs through the use of automation. And so we're here today, as we stated before, looking for $5,000 to bring our minimal viable product into fruition, but more importantly, just to establish that dialogue with all you hungry customers just like us. Thank you.